This is a really good problem to know how to do and to recognize something here. Don't always assume that the denominator will be able to be factored. We want to run through how do we factor. Do we have a GCF? No. Do we have a difference of squares? We don't even have a difference. So if we don't even have a minus sign, we can't have a difference of squares. Do we have the ability to FOIL it? In other words, are there 3 terms? No. Do we have the ability to do grouping? No. So no, 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 no. Therefore, not able to factor that. And if we can't factor it, then we have to analyze, well, is it always going to be positive or is it always going to be negative? Well, x squared, no matter what x is, the lowest the x could be would be 0. I mean, the lowest x squared could be would be 0, because if you square a negative number like -1, -2, -3, when you square it, it's going to be a positive number. And when you add a positive number to 9, you're going to get a positive number. So the lowest that x could be would be 0. Again, the lowest x squared could be would be 0. 0 plus 9 is still positive. So, or even if you graphed it, x squared plus 9, there's 9 right there. 0, 9 is the vertex of that parabola. It's always greater than 0. So the denominator can never be equal to 0. Therefore, we have no discontinuities. Therefore, if we don't have any discontinuities, we can't have a non-removable or a removable discontinuity, and though we need a non-removable one to get a vertical asymptote. So if we don't have one of those, we don't have a vertical asymptote. And if we don't have a removable discontinuity, then we can't have a hole. So we have no vertical asymptote and no hole. Really, really a good problem to know how to do.